Hello, I'm Chef Coco Cruz, your Fuzion Exotic chef, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Hello everyone, Merry Christmas and also Happy New Year's to you and your families. Thank you again for watching your Fuzion Exotic chef Coco Cruz here on my YouTube channel. Today I am going to make you some seafood galore pasta with some asparagus, and guess what? It's not even gonna take that long. I'm gonna say about 20 minutes. Let's start cooking, yeah? Shall we? Now for our very first step, we're making our seafood pasta galore. First thing first, we're gonna have to put 2 tablespoons of virgin olive oil. Let that heat up for a while. I would say like a minute. Now let's add our onions. Now this is 5 ounces of julienne cut onions. Now I already had cut some leek over here. This is about 2 ounces of leek. Now leek has this different flavor, but it's kind of chewy at the same time. Now you're gonna add 2 of a smush fresh garlic for aroma and taste and flavor, of course. And over here I have a whole medium lemon. Just get the juice from the lemon. So that's about 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon. Now we're gonna add some white wine. This is 2 tablespoons of white wine. Pinot Grigio is the one I had picked. Now time to add our cumin. This is a dry cumin. This is half a teaspoon of dry cumin. And then half a teaspoon of Himalayan salt. Now we're gonna let this sear for 5 minutes. Now time to add 3 tablespoons of oyster sauce. As you can see, all of this goodies is getting caramelized. So you wanna add that so they can release more flavor. A whole cut of zucchini. Now this is, I would say, 6 ounces of zucchini. We want to stir this very, very well together so they can be incorporated. Let's add the asparagus. Now I had cut the asparagus 2 inches up, as you can see over here. This is going to give good flavor into your pasta. This is 1.5 pounds of cut asparagus, 10 ounces of spaghetti noodles. I want to show you what I'm going to do. A lot of people boil their spaghetti, yeah? This time, I'm gonna add it. Just add it like that. Make sure you cut it in half. Then we're going to add 2 cups of chicken stock. We're going to cover this for 10 minutes. Now it has been 10 minutes. Now, in this point, you're gonna have to mix it. And let's add the seafood. The smell. It smells so good too. Mix this again very well. Let's not forget to cover it. Let's cook this again for another 8 minutes. Now with the seafood that I had added, I had put shrimp, squid, octopus, mussels, and 1/2 pound of some fish balls. It's ready! Look at this! Doesn't this look beautiful and fantastic? Look at this. And I'm gonna tell you, the flavoring of this are super unique. Enjoy! Merry Christmas again!
Action.
Huh? Little give the well up with that thing. What do you call this again? Okay, I'll say it again. Here. Wow.